Hello guys, welcome to Amith.Thoughts. In this video, I will see how we can easily insert the values employee ID, employee name, employee age, employee department. Insert into employee values. Bracket open G employee name 01 comma employee name single quotation Amith single quotation close and comma and employee is 18 comma employee department single quotation GPT quotation close bracket close semicolon press enter. Insert the values employee ID 1 employee ID 1 employee name Amith employee age 18 employee department GPT and press enter. Select star from table name employee and press enter. Insert the one column
insert into employee values bracket open 02 comma single quotation employee name Sharanu single quotation close comma employee age 20 comma single quotation open IT single quotation close bracket close semicolon and press enter. Second column and 3 column only changes 03 name change Ambu age 21 marketing and press enter. 3 column and same in changes 04 name is marketing same and press enter and display the table. Insert the values all and select star from employee table name semicolon press enter. Insert the 4 values Amith employee ID 01 employee name Amith employee age 80 employee department GPT second column third column fourth column.